This is Sam. Sam is your employee or a contractor working full-time for you. You hired Sam and lots of others like Sam for their skills and experience to focus on the core activities of their role. But as in all roles, there are tasks that need to be completed that are not core to the role but need to be done. Because most of your employees have to do these activities, you are paying a variable cost based on who completes them. What if you could get someone else to focus on these non-strategic tasks? Meet Joe. Joe is a Lionbridge crowd worker. What if you could engage with Joe to get these tasks completed? And what if you were to pay a flat fee for each of these tasks with no overhead, management, training or facilities cost? And what if you could then scale this to handle the seasonal peaks and troughs of this type of work with no penalties or premiums? Now you can. With Lionbridge's enterprise crowdsourcing data solutions, you can have access to a scalable, screened-to-fit and secure crowd to complete these tasks, freeing your valued employees to focus on their core roles and responsibilities. Jo, the crowd worker, is able to focus on the task. She doesn't have to worry about all the other aspects of the role. Crowd workers are efficient and flexible and are only engaged when completing the tasks. There is always someone working in the crowd and tasks get completed every minute of every day. Lionbridge crowd workers access your work through our secure platform where they only receive the work they are qualified and screened to complete. Lionbridge will work with you to find the most efficient and secure way possible to connect your internal systems where the data is stored to our task delivery hub where the work is completed and the results can then be routed back to your internal system. Our crowd access the tasks they are qualified to complete through a simple, secure and online interface. This is their workspace. They can keep up to date with latest news, they can check on their task-related data or apply to qualify for new work, and most importantly, they complete tasks. Our task delivery platform can handle many different types of tasks. Transcription of data from one format to another, for example video, audio or scanned document transcription, data validation, attribute tagging, categorization of data, and even transcreation of user-generated data from its source language to multiple languages. The workers respond to these tasks based on guidelines which we can help you to create, and each task can accommodate one or multiple forms of response: single, multiple choice, free text response, satisfaction scales, rating scales. Once a worker has completed a task, it's routed through the system to be checked for quality. Based on the type of task, a number of different quality checks can be applied, from machine and artificial intelligence testing to an expert human review. If the work is not at the required level, it can be rejected by the system or the moderator, and the worker will not be paid for the work. The task can then be distributed to another worker to be completed. Workers are also continuously tested and graded, so that work is only available to those with strong performance records. When the work is complete, it is repackaged into a format you can use, and it's delivered to you in either an integrated workflow or a flat file handoff that can be accepted by your internal systems. Now Sam can focus on the core activities they were hired for within your organisation, while Jo and our crowd focuses on completing your work in a fast, efficient and cost-effective manner. Lionbridge Crowdsourcing Solutions, changing the way that work gets done.